So hello everyone, this is the third Palit GTX 1050ti that I will repair. So this one has a problem which is a beeping. So let's try it out. Okay, I powered on the motherboard. Let's wait what will happen. Oh, so many beeps, so that's the problem. So I opened this GPU and found out similar to the other GPU I repaired recently, there is a dust built up. So let's clean this dust first, and as you notice, I think there's a traces of flux in here. So I noticed something too. Let's clean it up first. I will show you what I saw. Okay, here it is. I don't know if you see. Let's zoom in. So as you can see in here, we are missing a component here and here. So I think this is why it beeps only. Okay. Okay, I already replaced those two components. Now we will test this card if it's fixed now. Okay, let's power it on. Fan spinning, then let's wait. Oh, okay, so it displays. Okay, let's put the fans and try it again and try to burn test it. So guys, unfortunately, when testing this GPU, after a few minutes, this display goes black. So that means it is still not fixed. Okay, upon checking one by one these components around here, I noticed very low ohms in this pin, which I replaced earlier. So this pin had a very low ohms. So this pin is connected to this capacitor. So I suspect that this capacitor is leaky. So I will try to change it. Okay. Okay. I changed these capacitors, or this tiny capacitor. Now let's check the resistance in ohms mode. Let's see if this that pin, the third pin of that diode is okay. So okay, the value is now okay in kilo ohms. Okay. So okay, I think it's okay now. So let's check again all the voltage rails, the 12 volts, 3 volts, and 5 volts. So okay, so far so good. The 1.82, okay, 1.8 kilo ohms, 2.5, 2.6 kilo ohms. So let's check the memory rail. Okay, so the core, okay. So all the resistance are okay now. So I will test the pex too. Okay, so all resistance are okay. Okay guys, so let me zoom in. So as you can see in here, it's already 1 hour and 1 minute of running test. So I think we fixed this card guys. So that's all for this video. So see you next time. Thank you.